Welcome back to Russ Works. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough for installing asphalt shingles on a lean-to or single slope roof. First step is installing a metal drip edge along the bottom of the roof. You're going to run sealant along the inside and let it overhang the fascia slightly. Nail every 8 to 10 inches, and this will keep the water from curling under and rotting the edge of the roof. When connecting two pieces of drip edge together, you're going to need to cut them to fit. This is where you're going to use a pair of tin snips. Make sure you leave enough length to overhang the other piece and add sealant in between the connection. Next up, you're going to be installing the synthetic or felt underlayment. Start at the bottom edge and roll horizontally across the roof. Overlap 4 to 6 inches at the seams, and then nail or staple per manufacturer instructions. When adding the side edges, you need to cut and fold the corners. Then add sealant and attach the drip edge over the underlayment on the left and right sides. This layers the water away from the roof instead of under it.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
For extra protection, you can add sealant to the top of the nails. Next, we're going to be installing a starter strip. Use the factory starter shingles or flip a 3-tab shingle upside down and cut the tabs off. Place at the bottom edge. Overhang the drip edge by about 1/4 inch and add 4 nails per strip, evenly spaced.
Cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
Now you're going to lay the first course of shingles. Start at the bottom corner, usually 4 nails per shingle. Make sure they're straight, flush, and not overdriven. Now continuing up the roof, you're going to want to stagger each row going forward. Check alignment every few rows. Now before adding the front cap, make sure you seal all the nails and overlapping shingles. Now for the front edge, make sure you run a bead of sealant on both sides.